In a design, there may be a requirement to have a code in your cross-section that attaches to one of multiple strings, and you may be looking for the string that is closest. So if we think about intersections where you're manually addressing the pavement from curb return out to your intersection, and we have a think about a roundabout, well, in this case we have this string here, and really we want this code to stretch out against this road or this road or the outer edge of the roundabout, whichever is closest. So we now have a variation that will do that automatically. So if we run up and create a custom variation, so from here we'll specify modify match to nearest code, and what this allows you to do is to specify your range, your distance range, the code you'd like to edit, and then you get to pick up to 3 strings in the one run. Now there is a match to set to nearest code, which is probably the most common, so the closest code to the code you're trying to edit. And we're going to pick road 3 to try and match to, and the center line of road 3. We're going to pick the outer roundabout string and match the center line of that, and we're going to pick to match to the center line of road 4. So there is a maximum width. This will prevent, I guess, it finding the outer or further intersect of a circulating object, and you can also bring a code with you as a collective. But if we go add update, what we'll see as we look through is that we are hitting the closest point here, and as we roll through the cross sections, you'll see that once we get to this roundabout point, that it's actually the roundabout code that it's picking up, and then as we roll out, we'll see we go back to the center line. Now in terms of road 3 is the north-south road that's running through here. It actually has a saw cut code, so what we can do is we can tell the software, well, for road 3, let's not match up to the center line, let's match up to the left saw cut. So you are able to pick a string and then a code from that string to match to. So once I do this, what you'll see is that the position of that code is now running against the saw cut code off road 3. So if I sort of roll back through here, that is actually where the saw cut is on the edge of road 3. So this variation is a time saver. Rather than doing 3 string control matches or copy code matches, you can do that all in one hit.